Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
The sun is setting in the acres of the 100-acre wood. And here we go. We find the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Got a little bee pod up there, and we are totally gonna go ride Winnie the Pooh inside the crazy little house, the Pooh house, and all kinds of awesome fun. You totally can't go wrong on Winnie the Pooh. Chapter 1 of the book. I'll leave this here for a second and I'll let you guys check it out, because that was totally good. And you can't ever go wrong with the map either. It's got everyone on here. Eeyore's place, Piglet, Tigger's bouncy place, the Pooh Honey Hive, and we are gonna go wait in the queue. Inside we go. Pooh time.
One day, 100-acre wood, the east wind traded places with the west wind.
Maybe for food. If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look. I'm a plane.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Oh, yes. As I was saying, my uncle went to the
Hunter, come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Hunter, follow me. I'm right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for heffalumps and woozles. They steal honey. Gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too.
I start the garden with all my houses.
As does any good ride, ends in the gift shop. Can't ever go wrong with rides ending in the gift shop, especially when you have really cool Pooh merch. Like seriously, I love Pooh, Tigger, all kinds of awesomeness. Well, we just got off the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh. You can't ever go wrong with a good Pooh tale, right Hayden?
Never.
How did you like the ride?
It was pretty bouncy.
It was bouncy, it was very bouncy. Tigger was bouncing around, bounce.
Almost bounced out right out of the park.
He almost bounced out of the park. Well, you didn't get bounced out of the park. That would mean you did something bad. Haha, I made a bouncy joke.
Yes, you did.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this POV of Winnie the Pooh. We here at Magic Kingdom, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other things that Hayden and I might film for you. Also, be sure to check out Hayden's channel,
which is Gargoyle's Coaster Clubhouse.
They provide all kinds of really cool, awesome content from all the parks that Hayden gets to visit, since we don't get to hang out all the time. Well, guys, Like I said, love you all. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing. And whatever you do, don't like this video, don't subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you do like the video, hit like. If you don't like the video, hit like. And if you really, really don't ever want to see this again, click subscribe. Peace.
Peace, y'all.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.